Hello everyone, welcome back guys. Today we have another exciting video or audio. If you're here on our podcast listening, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys specifically about aftercare. This is a super good topic to discuss because, some aren't taught this, some don't know in-depth things. So I'm just going to go over all of my amazing aftercare recommendations that you guys can give to your clientele or that you can implement into your lash career just to kind of help you guys out a little. That's what I'm here for. Make sure if you guys are new that you subscribe to our channel. We have amazing content here. Lash with me videos, podcasts, helping all my Lash Fams out all over the world. You guys can also join our Facebook group. It's a private group. It's just an amazing lash community there where you guys can really, ask questions or just be super involved in what's going on in the lash community, and it's just an amazing community to be a part of. I give deals, I give discount codes, and it's just a good place to go if you're a new lash artist and you need help with anything. You can always ask there in that group. So I'll leave that link down below. But let's jump right into this. Aftercare, what every lash artist needs to know about aftercare. Okay, so the first thing, you guys, every single lash artist should know this, but some don't, which is very surprising to me, but is keep your lashes clean, okay? It's so important that your clients keep their lashes clean. You can develop so much in that lash line to cause problems with retention, problems with lash health. So when I have clients come in that say, oh, I never used to wash my lashes, my lash artist used to tell me not to touch them, I used to be like, what? You guys, you have to clean your lashes, okay? And clean them correctly. So let's go into how do you clean your lashes correctly, okay? Because this is all aftercare. First things first, you guys want to use a lash shampoo. When I say lash shampoo, I mean a lash shampoo. This doesn't mean baby soap. This doesn't mean hair soap. It's lash, specifically for your lashes. This is important because it's pH balanced. It has everything specific for your lashes, you guys. So I'm going to recommend you guys some products here today, and I want you guys to try them. They're amazing. They're going to work. And of course, I've used them myself. I use them to this day. My clients do. So I know what I'm talking about, okay? So what lash shampoo should you be using? Now, there's a lot out there, but my number one recommendation is Prolond Lash Cleaner. This is an Australian brand. We are a distributor for it, so we carry it here at LBK. It is amazing. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's pH balanced specifically for lashes. And it also can clean a full face of makeup. So make sure your clients are using a lash shampoo, and I do highly recommend that you guys have an aftercare kit for your clients to purchase. This also, is an upsell for you as a lash artist to make a little bit more money. It's a no-brainer, okay? So lash shampoo. When they're cleaning their lashes, you want to make sure, you guys, that they're using a lash brush or like a soft makeup brush. So I would say like an eyeshadow brush, something soft bristles. You don't want to use your finger. You don't want to use a spoolie. Make sure they're using a soft makeup brush. Or a lash brush. Never brush your lashes while they're wet. This is important, you guys. It's just like your hair. You never want to brush your hair while it's wet. It can break easily. Same thing with your lashes. They can shed a lot easier when they're wet. So avoid touching your lashes or brushing your lashes when they're wet. So important, you guys. Another thing is that if a client needs their lashes to be dry really fast, they can invest in a little blow dryer, which you can get off Amazon, or just your normal hair blow dryer. Turn it on cool, blow your lashes. Okay, next. Don't touch your lashes. There's a lot of people who get their lash done who are constantly brushing them, constantly touching them. You guys, the more you touch them, the more you're going to lose them. The retention's going to be a lot worse once you're touching them. Also, there's oils on your hands are dirty, you're constantly touching them. Don't touch your lashes. This is all like things that you should be expressing to your clientele so that they know, because, if you know, but they don't know. Anyways, let your clients know this stuff as well. So don't touch your lashes. Next, hot steam in general, or hot showers, hot tubs, these types of environments can make your lashes lose their curl. So if your clients are coming back and they have flat lashes, this could be one of the reasons, okay? Do they live in an area where it's really hot? Here in the United States, we have Arizona is super, super hot during the summer. It gets up to 120 degrees. There's different areas where it's really, really hot or really humid. These areas, you might see a shift in how the lashes look. This can also affect your lash trays as a lash artist. Where are you storing your lashes? Are you in an environment where it gets really hot? You can't control the temperature. Are you a traveling lash artist? Do you keep your lashes in your car? You guys, these are all things you should know. Hot temps, steamy environments are going to make your lashes lose their curl. That doesn't really have to do with aftercare, but that's just a tip that you guys should all know. Next, you guys should be offering these types of products to your clients. So Number one was our Prolong Lash Cleaner. I didn't mention this, but when you buy Prolong, it comes in a 100 ml bottle. This is amazing. You can take that, it's $34.95, and with that 100 ml bottle, you can create about 20 pumps, foam pumps, okay? And you want to sell those for about $10 a pop. And so you are making money on your investment, you guys. And on top of it, you know, you're giving your clientele an amazing product to clean their lashes that you know is going to work. So it's literally a no-brainer. You guys got to get on this. You guys need this. It's like when we go to the, you know, the hair salon. They use products specifically for your hair. You buy hair shampoos specifically for your hair. We got to step up our game as lash artists, you guys. This plays a whole role in also, you know, the overall health of the natural lash, things like that. And I'm going to show you guys here, if you're watching on YouTube, this is what they all look like. Okay, number two is a lash serum. Now, why does someone need a lash serum? Because it's going to assist the natural lash health. This is important, especially for people who get lashes all the time. You want to make sure their lashes are constantly being fed, you know, healthy things that are going to help, you know, strengthen the natural lash so they can continue to get lashes, because constant lashes, we want to be making sure that we're, you know, giving them something to help assist that. So a lash serum, guys, and I'm going to link it. We carry it here at LBK. It's an amazing lash serum. It can help their lashes grow by 55%. This is great for anybody. You know, if you have clientele that comes in and they have damaged lashes from whatever, you always offer them a lash serum. It is safe to use with extensions. So they just pair it in their aftercare, use it daily. After 6 weeks of using it, they're gonna see an increase by 55%. That's huge. So always offer lash serum. Number three, the final things. You should have 3 things in your aftercare kits. The last one is a sealant. Okay, this is important, you guys. This is gonna help with retention tremendously in addition to all of these things together. Our lash protective sealant is a applicator that they're going to apply on their lashes every single day, and it's going to create a layer that is going to protect their lashes from oil, debris, makeup, you know, just natural things that can build up on the eye, and it's going to help the retention of their lashes. So it's going to make those lashes stay so much longer. So if your client, you know, is a real loyal client, they come every 2 weeks, you know, you've been doing their lashes for years, you really want to offer your clientele amazing aftercare lash products, because it just solidifies your work, and it helps them know that they are doing all the right things to just, you know, have great results. And this is an investment also. You know, lashes are so expensive, and so if we're investing, you know, into getting lashes as clients, then us as lash artists should be offering our clients something to just, you know, help their lashes, their extensions, their investment. So 3 lash products. I'm going to list them all here for you guys. Everything will be in the description down below. We have lash protective sealant, we have our serum, and we have our Prolong Lash Cleaner. You guys, please, please, please add this to your aftercare kits. Again, this is an upsell for you. You're not losing money. Your clients are paying for them. And it's just going to help with your overall sets. It's going to help with your retention, and it's going to make sure that those clients are always coming back because they know that you are a trusted lash artist. I hope this video helped you guys so much. These are my 3 big aftercare products that I recommend that you guys all try. And I know they work. Again, guys, I would never recommend something to you guys that I don't know anything about. These products are good. We sell them at LBK, of course. You guys can download our app, shop there if you want. Everything will be listed in the description down below. I love you so much. Thank you for tuning in again for a video. We will be back soon with more content. Like, subscribe, and share. I love you.